Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time to do our walkthrough of the Gift of Christmas 8x8 premium paper pad. This one's 200 GSM, it's 8x8. It has single and double-sided pages in it, and this one offers some gold foil designs, 4 glitter designs, 2 texture design, and then half double-sided pages. Pretty cool, huh? Now, you might have seen me do the walkthrough of this one earlier on the Product Parade channel. It's gorgeous too, but look at the difference in the colors. So this is going to feed several different colors. You might like a more modern color scheme for your Christmas or a traditional color. This one is gorgeous. And we actually have this one in the 8x8, and we also have it in the 12x12. I'm going to flip through the 8x8 because I think it's easier to see the whole thing on camera, but just know that we also offered it in the 12x12. Very affordable set, and I'm going to challenge you as we flip through to look at the pages that you could use for other than Christmas, and this very first one is one of those. This is a gorgeous piece of gold foil-lined paper, and you get 3 of them. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's kind of blinding. Look at this. This is incredible. This says, "Oh, come all ye faithful, deck the halls," the wassail song. What else? There's another one in here, "Away in a manger." There it is right there. Absolutely gorgeous. That gold foil is blindingly bright. I love it. Look at these poinsettias. Now, the cool thing about this is that paper that kind of has that wallpaper sample texture. So it's not just cardstock. It has kind of like a grip to it. It's not a grip, but it has like a texture to it, a fine texture. I love this page. You might can see the texture on the back. I don't think so, but we'll try. Here again, that same texture on this one. Look at this plaid. Classic Christmas, but you know what else this is? This is classic Dad's tie. You know you can use that for Father's Day. Look at these gorgeous snowflakes that have some glitter on them. They're incredible. They're kind of not snowflakes and kind of holly leaves also. That's a very interesting page. The green on my camera is not showing up as good as this is. This is kind of an olive. I really like that. See this page? Totally not Christmas. These flowers look more like peonies almost, but you could use it for both. You could use it for Christmas and all year long. Love that. This is classic Christmas. This is holly berries. They're incredible. I'm going to see if that will help. They are teeny tiny holly berries. I don't know if that's really helping much, but they're little tiny holly berries, and they have some glitter in there. They have red glitter on the berries. This page looks like partridges, possibly in a pear tree. I'm not sure, but there are 2 little birds, or little red birds, really. I don't think they're partridges, but they're little red birds, and they've got some glitter on the page as well. Now we don't have glitter, but this should be where we get to our double-sided pages. Look at these Christmas trees. This reminds me of the Nutcracker. You know that movie, that kind of style about it? Yeah, again here with this pattern, it reminds me of the Nutcracker. This is actually music notes. This is beautiful. So many of you guys love music note pages, and it's very faint. It's very beautiful in the background. So 3 sheets of that. There it is. How many times you guys asked me for angels for Christmas? Here it is. 3 sheets of these gorgeous angels with music notes in the background. Stunning. I love those. Beautiful solid red. It's actually not 100% solid. It's got a little bit of a texture to it. Not in feel, but in color. It's a little mottled, so it's not solid red. Look at those. I love those right there. They're so cute. These are great background or matting pages with these small patterns. Let's see what else we got. Look at the stripes. I love these stripes. And these are stars. Absolutely gorgeous. Keep going. Oh, look at the snowflakes. And this page, another example of how you don't have to use these for Christmas. Those are just flowers. They're perfect for all year round. This has stars in it as well, so snowflakes and stars. This right here, masculine. I love this. This reminds me of like a textured suede. Some more snowflakes. And then I think we have one more pattern. Oh, man. This takes me back to my grandmother's house with her vintage cards and things that she would hang when people would send her cards with these looks. I love it. Some of you guys are going to eat this one up. Look at those bells. This is perfect. And don't forget, you get a piece of chipboard you can use for anything you want. You can also use that. So there you go, the Gift of Christmas. And again, we have this one in the 12x12. And I think I want to show you some of those images in the 12x12. Let me open this one up real quick. Here's one of the images. You can see it better in the 12x12. These tiny little images I was trying to show you. See how beautiful these are? Let me show you like the holly. See how pretty that is in the stripes? And this has the glitter. And I wanted to show you the birds. I thought the birds were really pretty. There they are. Look how cute they are sitting there nestled together. Love it. So if you want the bigger images, this 12x12 is going to do that for you. And if you want the smaller images, you can get it in the 8x8. So there you go, guys. The Gift of Christmas. I hope you enjoy it, and these are in store now. We'll keep these for the most of the season as long as we can, so if you miss out on the first order, don't worry. We'll try to bring them back every time we can. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.